Greetings. Today we're gonna do another simple one. We're gonna do creamy butternut squash pasta. Check it out. Okay, so we got spelt pasta, coconut oil, cumin powder or jeera powder. We got cayenne pepper, oregano, basil, parsley, sea salt, onion, coconut cream, butternut squash, cherry tomato. We have some beans here, variety of peppers. We got some close cut mushroom and spring onion. Okay, so we have a little veggie here. That's finished, so let me just season it up. So we have a cayenne. Put the cayenne in there, some salt. Do it to taste, remember. Salt in there. And we have our jeera. We have our parsley. Our basil. We have our oregano. And we stir that up. Okay, that's finished. Okay, so our pasta is ready. As I say, don't cook this for long because it's very soft. It don't take long to cook. So we've puree our butternut squash with the coconut cream. You do it while it's warm because the coconut cream needs to melt with it. So you puree that. If you have a blender, it's an easier, quicker way to do it. Just puree it with your food processor. And then we will just pour it onto this. This we just stir this up. Nice and creamy there. Get it all in there, marinate it there. And we pour this on. And we just stir this up. I said you're gonna have to taste it. If it need more salt or more pepper, you do that. Yeah, that's nice and creamy there. Okay, let me have a taste. Yep. You need a bit more salt, and that's it. We're ready to go.